AM.CO offers a 4-panel and 6-panel silk screening kit, right? And as part of its dedication to spare parts, they also sell single panels for purchase. Now the question arises, can you use only one single panel to do silk screening? Well, I don't see why not. Let's put it to the test. The design I chose was a yin and yang koi fish design. It's a very intricate design. I think it's going to look really nice because here I'm going to be choosing a green print on a black t-shirt. Once my design is set, now I'm going to change it all to one color, make sure I've got my background set out because we need to have a border when doing our vinyl posi to our screen. Once it's cut out, now we can weed it out. When weeding this type of design, because it is so intricate, you really need to take your time and just to watch where you're weeding and make sure you do it from inside out and not outside in, because we want the inside of this design for our print. Once we've weeded it, now we need to apply our backing tape to our vinyl posi so that we can then apply it to our screen. Once we've applied it to our screen, then we can now add our silver blockout tape that will prevent the ink from going through to the t-shirt from the sides. Now we need to get our shirt or garment that we want to silk screen on. Today I'm going to be using a black shirt with green ink. So all you got to do is put down your t-shirt onto a flat surface and try and lay it flat as much as you can, get out all the creases because we need it to be very flat for our screen. Once we've done that, you take your screen, lay it onto the t-shirt and make sure that it's square to the t-shirt to where you want your design printed. Right, now that I've put my screen in the correct place and it's all lined up, now I can put the ink onto the screen itself and make sure to give yourself a generous amount because you don't want to have too little, rather have too much. Now that that's done, we can now squeegee our ink through the screen onto the shirt. Easiest way to do that is have the squeegee at a 45-degree angle and pull towards you, making sure that the ink is spread out evenly across the screen. Then you want to keep it at the same 45-degree angle and push back. Now that that's done, you can carefully lift your screen off the t-shirt, revealing the ink that is now just been pressed through the screen onto the shirt. Now that we've taken our screen off and squeegeed our ink on our shirt, it is time to dry it. And the three easiest ways to do so is either a hairdryer, a heat gun, or a flash dryer. Now I think it came out pretty cool. It looks really nice and I'm very impressed with it. But what if you wanted to do more than one color? What would you do? You can either put in a new screen, new mesh, or you could reuse the one that you've currently got that you've put the ink through. And in order to do that, you can buy the cleaning solution from AM And just make sure you wear gloves, scrub it down for at least 8 minutes, and then your screen is clean. Put it back on, re-stretch it, and then put your vinyl posi back on, and then you're good to do another color. And repeat the process as many times as you need to achieve the colors that you want, only using one panel. So the answer is, yes, you can screen print only using one panel, even if you want to do multiple colors. And the good news is AM also allows you to purchase single panels. When it comes to business, it is always good to have an array of options available to you. And this is another great option to keep in mind.
At AM.CO.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Hlobosile Khumalo, a level 6 local guide who has 64 reviews all over the country, says, "The tech support team is on point. I had an issue with my machine, I called them and they said I must bring it in. The person who helped me checked everything and made sure everything was 100%. Kind staff members helped me load my machine in and out of my car." This was just one of the many appreciative reviews we have received. These tags mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for your support. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. Level 7 reviewer Dash Somolu, who has 119 reviews on Google, says, "Great company, great products and very well priced items. The training we received from Messias Chunga was top-notch. He was very knowledgeable and knows his stuff." Another satisfied customer amongst many. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.